Hello, and welcome. Today we'll be going over the login process and new features in the upgraded Florida Blue desktop. This desktop is similar to Windows 7, and you may already be familiar with many of its features. We'll begin by logging in. One of the existing features you may or may not already be aware of is the new announcements and upcoming changes page. On this page, we post maintenance windows and other changes that may affect your connections. We also have links and downloads and FAQ and user guides. Check your email for a SharePoint link where you can post your questions. Another feature in the existing web interface is the settings panel. Here, you can scroll down and adjust your desktop resolution along with color and sound quality. I have selected 1024 by 768 so the desktop does not consume my entire screen. Notice that the old icon, WebTop External, remains unchanged. However, this feature will be removed soon. Today, we are going to launch the new Blue desktop. This system is powered by Citrix XenApp 6.5 running Microsoft Windows 2008 64-bit server. Right now, we are logging on to the Florida Blue Active Directory network. At this time, various corporate, security, and other settings are being applied. Your network drives are being mapped, and your folders are being set up on your H drive. While this process is not instant, it should always take less than 60 seconds. For most people, the process should only take about 45 seconds. This took 35 seconds to load link and the full logon process. This is the default Windows background. You may personalize this and change the colors. Complete this by right-clicking on the desktop, selecting Personalize, Desktop Background, and Solid Colors. I will select Blue. The first thing most people look for is their email. This is found on the new Start menu. The Start menu has many items on it found by scrolling up and down. The old system expanded the Start menu across the entire screen. Scroll down to Microsoft Office, and there you will find Microsoft Outlook 2010. Conversely, you may just search for it. Select the Start bubble, click in the Search Programs and Files, and type Outlook. And there's Outlook. You may search for any application. Imaginator, Quest, Diamond, Convergence, and of course, Outlook. We're going to open Outlook. The first time you launch Outlook, you will be presented with a Microsoft Outlook 2010 startup screen. Simply select Next through the options without changing anything and apply the settings to launch your email. This is a one-time setup that only happens on the first time. If you wish to set a signature, select File, Options, Mail, Signatures. If you already have a signature, you may just simply select it. Select New Messages and Replies and Forward if you wish. Select OK and OK. New messages will now be presented with your selected signature. We need to run Attachmate. I have 4 sessions to open. Once Attachmate launches, select Open Existing Session, Session 1, Session 2, Session 3, and Session 4. There. The next most common question concerns Attachmate and creating an easy way to open multiple sessions. This is called a layout file. First, search and open Attachmate, open all of your sessions as we have done, arrange each session as you see fit. Save each session. From any session, select File, Save Layout. You can place this on your desktop, your documents, or on your H drive. I'm going to put mine on my desktop, and I'm going to name it For Session Layout. From any session, select File, Exit Extra, Yes. And there's my session layout file. Now simply open your layout file and watch the magic. This concludes this session. It is important that you close your applications and then select Log Off. This assures that all of your settings are saved and that your profile is safe. Click to start, select Log Off, and have a good evening.